In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Printful. Transferring money from your Printful wallet is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Printful account. Head over to the Printful website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From this central hub, you can manage all aspects of your Printful experience, making it your go-to spot for all administrative tasks. Next, locate the More tab on your dashboard. This is your gateway to a variety of options and features within Printful that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Click on More to expand the menu. Now, from the extended menu, select Billing. Clicking on Billing will take you to a dedicated section where you manage your account's financial transactions. It's crucial to be familiar with this area as it holds all the vital information related to payments, invoices, and other billing-related activities. Once in the billing section, the next step is to click on Printful Wallet. The Printful Wallet is where you can see the funds associated with your account. This digital wallet serves as your financial hub within Printful, holding balances that you might have received from various transactions. After you've accessed your Printful wallet, you'll need to find the wallet for the specific currency you wish to withdraw. Once located, go ahead and click on it. It's essential to choose the correct currency to avoid any complications or conversion issues during the withdrawal process. When you've selected the appropriate currency wallet, you'll see an option to withdraw funds. Here's an important note. You are required to withdraw the entire balance. Unfortunately, it's not possible to withdraw specific amounts, so make sure to plan accordingly if you need to manage other expenses. Finally, know that the funds will automatically be transferred back to the original payment method that was used to deposit money into your Printful wallet. This means that you don't need to provide additional banking details at this stage, simplifying the process significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the procedure to transfer money from your Printful wallet. This process ensures that your funds return to their original source seamlessly and without any additional hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to explore Printful's help resources for further guidance. Until next time, happy managing and see you in the next video.